morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I feel like everything's out of place here.
SHFS.
Okay. Why does it look like that? I'm like not centered.
4.
All right, that's good for now.
Yes.
What's up, everybody? Welcome in. Good to see you again. It has been a while. It has been a good while. Took a nice break last week. Market was trash, it looks like. So we are back now. Let's get some music rolling.
Azul. CNEY.
Just start from the top. What's up, Snacks? Good morning. Wait, what? BWV. What's the reason? Is that news? I moved my monitors around, and now everything like just doesn't seem where it should be. Is that better? I don't even. This feels so strange. Hope you guys had a good week. It did not look good. Hopefully it was better than it looked, because it did not look good at all. I guess it's gonna have to do for now. I don't know why I've got like this weird angle. You guys are like viewing me from side profile now, but whatever. Was there anything profitable last week? Anything on watch maybe for T2 today, from Thursday? I mean, nothing ever runs on Thursday anymore, but. Green week, okay, that's fantastic considering it looked absolutely horrendous.
I see you. I see you. I see you. I see
Make
you.
beauty out of trash. I mean, sometimes.
I see you.
100%er? My God. Or you hit 100%. Like total account. Okay, that feels a little bit closer to where the mic and everything needs to be. Still a little weird looking, but whatever. Oh, no trades. Oh, okay, gotcha. 100% accuracy. Nice. Okay. All right, we can flip on over. I'm rusty, guys. I'm rusty. Did anything run more than like, 30% last week or what? My mint fell down because it's full. All right. Work for now, I guess. Oh my God. Did you guys try Warzone 2 yet? I thought it was pretty cool. I actually like DMZ. I thought that was pretty cool. Especially since I didn't buy Modern Warfare 2. So to like unlock guns, you can just go in there and kind of extract them instead of having to go through, you know, multiplayer and grind and grind and grind just to unlock a gun. Disney up 10% today.
BDRY.
I feel like today is just going to be a day full of Wordle and Contexto. Like, there's not going to be any trades out there, that's for sure. Unless somebody cures cancer within the next 20 minutes. So top gainer IMGO. I'm just gonna guess if that's a buyout. It is. ICU second top gainer 56%. Looks like it had a big spike and it's heading all the way back home already. And then EUDA had a huge spike all the way home. She all the way back home. So that's our top three. Looking sexy this morning. SHC actually looks the best out of all of them at 29%. So I don't know why it's up. They will not be liable for women's cancer. What does that mean? Were they getting sued or something? Anywho, they're up 27%, kind of flagging here. But besides that, that looks like it. USEA shipper. 2,000 shares hit. Did you guys watch football yesterday? My Patriots won on the pretty much last play of the game. I thought it was going to go into overtime at 3-3. But we got a freaking punt return touchdown with 5 seconds left. DOSM. All right, let's see what 8:30 news pops real quick, and then we'll go from there.
New. PBI.
BGFC, that sounds decent. Wegmans is a pretty big brand. Announces U.S. retail expansion with Wegman Foods. You hear it, it's hitting the scanner. Oh, it's a cheap one. 8 cents. So COSM, the one that was like 8 cents, finally started making a push. Interesting.
L.
Very interesting indeed. Is this having like a D-list run, or do they have a reverse split date, or what's happening here? Because that's kind of interesting that it's starting to run now for multiple days, not just having one big day, but multiple days continuation.
NKLA. EBR.
VINO, regain compliance. So it looks like SPY got above 400, kind of got close to that 200 SMA test, pulled back, and now it's trying to push back higher again. We're getting really close now to this downtrend line. That's huge. This is like massive. Like almost puts us back in a bull market if we can like confirm over it type thing. But it's got a long way to go. It could still fake out. It could still, push over it, push back under it. But, this has been the downtrend line since the end of last year, the top, really. So it hit top here, top tier, top tier. And now, the 200 SMA and kind of where we're at right now, it needs to get through probably 410. But overall, that's the downtrend break on the whole market for the year. So we'll see. We'll see. All right, let's do it. Contexto. Who's got a first word for us? I'll start from whatever your first word is, unless you played the game already this morning. First one I see pop up. And it's got to be one word. Okay, fine, then I'll pick a word. Get dips on BWV. Okay, let me pull it up real quick before I do that. Did it have news? I remember this running a few weeks back or like a month back. What's up, Mike? Yeah. Things did go nuts last year, but not this year. Let's see. BWV, yeah, it ran somewhat recently.
FRGT.
So they got their exclusive global license agreement for chlamydia vaccine.
Cold.
It's hanging around. Hanging around, nothing crazy. Where's Broda at this morning? I know he loves some Contexto. They had news. Yeah. Gotcha. Yeah, I would say, like, if it really gets going on a daily, needs above this 130 level, which is struggling with now. And then you got some stuff from 140 to 150 through like 160. But if it can get over this level, it's good to this 175 to 2+ area. But there's no reasonable expectation of anything going 1 cent higher right now. Not even 1 cent on good news. So if it happens, it happens. But don't expect it. Don't marry it and think it's gonna happen right now. but it could. Very well could. Now, where did my contexto go? Let's just start with football. Okay. Somewhat similar. Let's just... Okay, wrong way. Very wrong way. Okay, very, very wrong way. School.
L.
Okay, similar to a building.
FRGT.
How do you spell bureau? Bureau. B Bureau. Okay, that's miles away. Neighborhood? But it's neighborhood. No, it's further away. Okay. Government? No. Similar to okay, I'll try municipal. Okay, it doesn't like that one. But you're on the right track. That, I mean, really close to town. Council? No. Mayor? Come on. Village? Resident? House?
Bowl.
County? What's smaller than a town?
CNEY.
And besides the neighborhood, I mean, I feel like it goes town, neighborhood, house, and that's kind of the direction I went, and it didn't like that. It's gonna be something silly. It's gonna be like police officer or something. Teacher. Oh, I did teacher. Compound? No, it doesn't like that either.
PBR.
You guys been watching the World Cup? Or did it start yet? I know that's like going on right now. A lot of you guys like football. Football. I don't know why it's popping in my head. No. Park, maybe? Okay. So it's like parts of a town. We're right here. So it's not a person like in town. What the heck else could it be?
VGFC.
No. Not government. It's close to city and town. Sidewalk? No. Road.
VGFC. OPTN.
This is a hard one. I'm already at 41 guesses, man. Come on.
MWA.
You guys got anything else?
ENSC.
I really don't want to give up. Yeah, I think I tried Resident. I think. Yeah. Come on. And it didn't like residents. Dwelling? Maybe? Oh. No? It's making me feel like it's part of a town, but I can't think of anything else. Like a group? No. I think I've already guessed police. And it wasn't similar to person either, so it's like a physical thing.
CNEY.
Okay, so it's like a landform. Oh my god. Just give me this. Okay, so area was closer. Zone. Oh my god, I'm so freaking close. Country? Oh my goodness. Latitude? No.
FRGT.
This is killing me, man. Earth? No. Planet? No.
FRGT.
State?
FRGT.
We already tried country, right? Yeah. And county. Yeah.
FRGT.
Province?
FRGT. FRGT.
This is the hardest one I've had yet. I cannot get it. And I'm within 20 away. I'm sure like half the people's already left. Bored out of their freaking minds. BFR to launch phase 3 clinical study evaluating their drug for the treatment of actinic keratosis. Okay. It's going to be something like, oh my God, I can't believe it's this.
SHC.
Oh my gosh. I literally can't even think of another word. But I'm not a quitter. I'm no quitter. I tried neighborhood. Area. Town. State. Is it gonna be like freaking dirt or something? No. Land. Owned. Property? No. Zone? No.
CNEY. BFRI.
This
FRI.
is a freaking struggle. It's getting my brain going now this morning, that's for sure. No, I already tried that. Ownership. Travel. You got it? Okay. Like, remotely, how close is area to the actual word? Just let me know that.
ICU.
If you let me know that, maybe I can like start heading in the right direction. Nowhere near. Fantastic. Fantastic. Nowhere near. I mean, I guess we're just playing this game till 10 a.m. at this point. Planet. Already guessed it. Solar. No. Universe. Planetary system. Galaxy. Moon.
BBD.
Nowhere close. That is great. Let me see how close that puts me. That got you there?
L.
Like, is it a country? I think I tried continent. Like, is it an actual country?
CNETV.
No, we're going in the wrong direction here. But Europe got you there. This is horrible. This is absolutely awful.
NMTC.
I think I tried river, lake, pond,
NMTC.
mountain,
WTRH.
drive, travel. Already tried that. Thought I was getting close, but I'm just like further away now than I've ever been.
NMTC. GSUN.
So Europe helped you get there. Oh, is it directional? I would have never, ever got that. Because we went from land masses. Okay, so with northwest and east, map should be number 5 or 6. Map should be like way up here. Then I would have got that. Map and location should have been like way up here. Latitude is 546.
FRGT.
Now, if latitude was freaking 10, then maybe I would have gotten north and south. Oh my God. Well, that just fried my brain forever. Oh, look, nothing has moved. We spent 20 minutes or more on that. I think we started at like 8:30. Wow, that one was ridiculous. Top volume leader today, Disney. Top gainer today, a buyout.
PHG. New.
Why does MMAT have so much volume? Oh, I guess it really doesn't. Just got a little spike and then faded all the way back. Did anything run at all last week?
DS.
Yeah, I didn't think so. Like, why would anything run?
ELB.
Yeah, I gotta take a little mental break before we pull it. Broda, you just missed the most ridiculous contexto that I've ever seen. It took me over 100 guesses. And only because Steven had gotten it in like 140 guesses. And it's not even that ridiculous of a word. It just like the relative words didn't seem like they were heading in the right direction.
GLDG.
Oh, yeah.
SGMO. KPTI.
Maybe we'll get something cool at 9. Doubt it. But it is what it is.
Sent. AESE.
AESE 10 million stock repurchase program.
BBLN.
E-bond reverse split.
LFLY.
Carnival is running a $1 deposit for a cruise on Cyber Monday. All right, here we are. Right about where I imagined that we would be. All right, how about I just go play Weddle? At least I'll get that within 2 guesses.
SDC.
All right. So, start with Eckler. Had him playing last night. Older. AFC. QB. It's number 2. Okay, number 2.
FRGT.
Wide receiver number 2. Who is wide receiver number 2 in the AFC?
ICU. 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 ICU.
AFC East or AFC North?
CFMS.
Really don't know many of the people. I don't remember what number Jalen Waddle is. Oh, it's older. Never mind. Older wide receiver in the AFC North. Number 2. Honestly, I have no idea. Even this is hard for my brain right now. He's 25. Bengals. T. Higgins. He isn't that old, I don't think. I think he's a higher number, though. He's not number 2. Tyler Boyd isn't that old either, I don't think. No, he's number 83, too. Okay, he is older. But it's not Cincinnati. Pittsburgh Steelers. I don't even know who their wide receivers are. They have the new guy. Wait, who is the other Steelers? Deontay Johnson, maybe? He's not number 2, though, is he? No. So it's Cleveland's wide receiver. Peoples-Jones?
SVRE.
I literally couldn't tell you any other Browns wide receiver besides Peoples-Jones. I completely forgot. I completely forgot he was on there. I've got him on my fantasy team, and I completely forgot he was on the Browns. God, everything is a struggle today. Monday morning vibes are rolling. I completely forgot. If I'd have thought of him, I would have probably skipped everything. Because all the rest of the AFC North wide receivers are pretty young. Bengals guys are pretty young. Steelers guys are pretty young. Ravens guys are remotely young. Whatever. Well, guys, we've officially made it to 9:05. Not a thing to talk about. Okay, Broda's still playing Contexto, so at least he's having the same struggles that we did. $118 guesses. Yeah, it's ridiculous. I think that, so I guess Map was like way far off, but I feel like Map should have been top 10. That would have definitely got me going in the right direction. And I picked Latitude, and it was like 300 and something. Like, those should be right there. Top 15. Oh my God. It's ridiculous. Bitcoin down to 16.1. Oil's down, market's down, Rusty's down, Bitcoin's down, wheat's down, natural gas is up a little. It is Monday. Monday usually gives a good pre-market and then fades off. It didn't give a good pre-market, so see how that goes. Top gainer, once again, is a buyout. Second top gainer is one that looks like it got a push, and then it's faded pretty much all the way back down. Heading lower as we speak. No, I didn't. I just didn't gel it this morning, so it's actually like not wet looking.
Cold.
Thank you, though. I've got like bangs this morning just because it won't stay up. It's like watching paint dry. What is going on here? Yep, nothing went on in the market, so I just, just took some time. Just chilled. No reason to waste my time here when it's not going to be, beneficial. It's not going to pay off. Yes, yeah. Played that a little bit. I got never got a win, but I think I got 10th place in solo. I didn't play it that much. And where I didn't have Modern Warfare 2, I didn't have any guns unlocked. But I like that, and I like the DMZ mode. It's super beneficial, like if you didn't buy Modern Warfare 2, that you can actually go and get decent guns and extract them and have them unlocked.
CBNA.
ICU doesn't even have news. It's just dead cat bounce on the daily. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. Nothing's moving by like 9:40, 9:45. I'm out. I'm not sitting here. We still got one more game to get through. Please let Wordle be easy today. I'm tired of fighting. What the heck is this advertisement? It's gonna be like that, isn't it? I already satin, but I already did an N and an I in that same spot.
Bull.
I swear my brain is just off today. I'm just gonna try some letters here. So it's got an A, an I, and an O. Great. Great. With no consonants so far.
CMEY.
Oh, it's one of those, huh? One of those. Why? Everything's been hard today. I just need one consonant in here, please. I can't even think of a word with an O, A, or an I. Like all three in it. That's great. That's fun. Okay, I got one letter in the right spot.
New.
Still 0 consonants.
Find.
OAC. I. Come on.
Itaku. Itaku. ICU. ENVB.
The M.
PRVB. Drib.
Axiom. Yeah, yeah. Oh my god. This is a sign, and I even try to take a trade today. I never dreamed that the market could ever be this bad, especially during November. October through March is usually hot. And it is just hot garbage. Axiom.
Wacko.
Wacko. That doesn't look terrible. Like a break over 22. Don't really think it has a reason to go. And it's one of those things like, if you don't count these nonsense areas in pre-market, it's kind of looking okay. But I mean, it got its bounce, really. Got its bounce here. Went up again to almost 30. And now faded back. But Trump did say that he, regardless of the fact that he's reinstated on Twitter, he's not coming back. But we'll see about that.
TC.
Mara's finally dying, huh? $7.
PBI.
They're probably not even running their miners right now because it's negative cost efficient. They'd actually be losing money on electricity. Well, we've ran through all our games. Nah. We played Wordle, Weddle, and Contexto, and that's it. And all three were ridiculous. I feel like I should have gotten Weddle a little easier, though. I just forgot somebody went to that team this year. The Wordle was Axiom, which is a fun New York Times word.
MKFG. EGY.
No, everything looks awful.
NAK. AEVA.
Market's pushing up a little. It's over 395. Oil's off a cliff. Saudi Arabia eyes OPEC plus production increase ahead of embargo.
CPG.
Increasing production up to 500,000 barrels per day.
ICU.
See you later, oil. Goodbye, everybody.
AKBA.
I think ICU is getting pumped
COS.
from what I'm putting two and two together. But I mean, we were looking at it and it was, I think, $5.90, so it's went up almost $1. But what's your risk? What's your reward here? Like, risk $4 for 10? Like, really? There is no edge anymore. Risk reward is out the window.
Check.
Oxy may be a good short today if oil keeps doing this.
OILD. Cowboy.
Yeah, BWV, I feel like it's usually a pre-market warrior. Like it goes in pre-market, but it's not really going in pre-market. We'll see. We'll see what gets volume.
NMT.
9 will be a great short.
NBTS.
Oh, 9's way up there. Yeah, 9 could pull back to $8 today.
Indie.
Oil's trying to bounce right now. So you got 9, Oxy, VT, and R. The ones that have kind of been melting up lately. VT and R is already back to $8 though. Yeah, this one no news, no nothing. All right, I'm gonna go feed the dogs real quick. I'm actually a little late on that. Grab a Dr. Pepper, and I'll be right back.
EUDA. NWTNW. CTXR. Dave. Hi. CMNT. NMTC. NMTC. PTON EOSE MSPR MFH Vero MSPR TC Vero MFH MFH MSPR MFH FUV TTCF SILB AFRN MFH Find CTIC NMTC FAMI
Hello, I have returned. What time is it? Okay, got about 10 seconds left.
SA EGY TIMTX VIV NMTC SHC GLTN TRHC EMBA SPN NMTC SITRN SCU ATO COSM EUDA PRBB UVT OSTK AREC MBLY DRDS LFMT VIN COS West Northwest CTXR
Mari gave a nice dip.
Manu
Who knows, though, it could fade right back down. Bitcoin's 16.2.
HTOL
Spy pushing, which means probably needs to be a fade.
NCTY CYCN EANMTC TMF MFH MFH COS Vero NWTNW ARI SHC BWV GSAD IMCC CMNT
You guys looking for a run today, Broder, or you think we're going to fade?
EUDA CDRB HT EUDA 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 GTBP BTCY CYCN
Yeah, watch SPY. Maybe play like some options or something.
LTRY ICU. EAF. TIMB, HT, BWV, KSPN, ARCS, NWTN,
Market's already fading back. I guess I should have taken that. 394 put.
BTCY, LCI, BTB, CDIO, SPACSU, MBRX, XAIR, CYCN, Farm, NWTN,
Yeah, that would have been a huge play.
CNTX, STRM, GRDF,
I thought that was going to happen too. I said it's probably a short up here, but I just didn't want to hop in anything after being gone for a freaking week.
PTMN,
The question is, do we long near the bottom?
NWTN, CNET, NWTNW, MMAT,
Oil going lower, so
OABI,
just watch your Oilers for maybe a short. That's a weird whistle there. Appreciate you guys hanging out today. Super slow market, terrible conditions, but we're here. We're here, living it up, living the dream, baby.
COEP, ONCS, Newt, Hollow, Addo, INZY, Itaku, MFH, GS80,
Market's bouncing a little bit here.
FSTX, STXS,
I don't know if we've been in hardcore sell-off mode or not, though.
STRM, Soft, GBIO, COEB,
Looks like it's fading pretty hard here, though. Man, I should have taken that short up there. The put was at, I think, like 85 cents. It's at 130 now.
LMDX, MMAT, SHC, UQ,
Apple's very weak here. Like, very, very weak. But it's at the bounce zone. If it can bounce. 148.50.
CFMS PRST. CVU. CDIO. ICU. ANGN.
Okay, so we got about 2 minutes left in this 5-minute candle. Let's see where Apple ends up. Small caps, I'm not even going to look at them today. I saw what I needed to see. And now we're just watching the market.
SHC, DSD, PBYI. LMDX.
Market looking pretty weak, though. Testing the low of day here. But Apple's actually bouncing, so that's interesting.
PRQR.
Apple 148.80s. So Apple good hammer off support level. 148.5. If it closes this candle strong and maybe gets back above 149, we might make a reversal on SPY.
CVU. BWV. BDRY. SIM. COS. ESCA. STIM. SHC. RRGB.
All right, let's see if we go green here.
SHC. SLRX. MOBCO.
All right, green candle on SPY, green candle on Apple.
PRQR. COS. NWTNW. PRQR. LTRY. HUMA. JZXN. LMDX. FSTX. BLTGLS.
All right, I got a little bit of calls. Kind of far out though. I got 398 call.
KSPN.
We got to bounce, but can we continue is the thing. Apple held the 148.5 level back over 149. SPY off the 50 on the 5. The issue is going to be my decay over here.
KSPN. RCON. COS.
SPY trying to push here though. Apple 149.15.
UCL. SRT.
Yeah, I may have went too far out on the options. That's what I hate about options. You have to not only be right about the direction, but you have to be right about the price at the right time. You got to time it up.
BLT.
So it's annoying.
EPOW.
Looks like we're trying to get back over 395 though.
COSM. SHC.
See how much strength we really have. Back over 395 would be nice. I hate having to look at SPY. I absolutely hate it. But it's the only thing with any type of movement, so.
EUDA. TH.
This is gonna decay over here on me before it actually pops more. Apple's still over 149 for now.
ICU, TCBP, CLWT.
Pretty big upper wick there on SPY.
QTNT,
Yeah, it got smashed.
BRCL, ONCS,
That's not what you want to see. That's not what you want to see at all. That's ugly. We'll see. It could still play out, but
SHC.
Apple's still over 149.
LFBN.
Okay, back up again.
APGN. LCO.
It's looking pretty weak. Looking pretty weak, guys.
SCO.
It could survive the bottom, I guess, but it's looking pretty weak down here.
EPOW. SIN. STIM. ADO. PBYI. GNPX. KC. SHC. NMTC. RRGB.
Yeah, it's just chopping around for now.
HUMA. HPCO.
Classic SPY, though, you know. Push way up, fade down, and then push down to the 50 SMA. Make the push back up, but pretty much fade the whole candle back down, and then the next candle will be green. So the decay itself stopped me out of that trade.
TNT. SOBR.
No matter what I'm trading, SPY or whatever, when I see a candle like this, I am out 1,000 times out of 1,000.
APPH, BLG, SITCH.
Now it's trying to show like this insane strength out of nowhere. I hate it. I hate SPY, man. Buy, hold, and hope. Just even on SPY, they faded it under 395 on this 5-minute candle.
West Northwest. NNBR. DRDRTSNXL.
Straight rippage now. Straight rippage. Had it right here. Right there. And it pushed all the way up to 395 and then back down to under 394.5. Straight rippage now. I mean, you gotta love it. You really gotta love it. SHC, don't know what that is. Warrant, IC use the pump. Apple has bounced.
SIM, FSTX, DSC,
Yeah, that was one ugly candle that I just will not hold through. Now, if it had closed up here, I mean, even up here somewhere, didn't have to close above VWAP, but giving up the whole gains and inside the candle, I won't hold that. No way.
SHC, NXL, PNF,
I guess we may end up running all the way to 397, 398 now. The way it's looking. Just had a trap down at the bottom.
SHC, DSD, NXL, TCON,
Yeah, straight ripping. Straight ripping face off.
ICU, TCBP, PBYI, ICU, SCLX, HGBL, ADO, PRT, LPCN, ICCC, LPCN, FRLN, ARTS, SHC, SNDA,
I won't be surprised though if we see new low of day later too. Wouldn't surprise me one bit.
MPAA, LMDX, SHC, SCC, AIRI,
I took one small loss on an option. That's it.
BLGO,
I'm not playing small caps.
ADO, IMMR, CMT, SHC, PRT, CDXS, ATRO, RITMC, SRT,
Market is ripping right now. BWV hit 138. Oh, nice.
THWWW, IMGO. VIGL. SHC. MTEM. ICU. CNEY. RSLS. VAXX.
See what we're gonna do. Showing some weakness up there.
NUTX. CNXA.
So they've double topped it now. The question is, how far can they shove it down before it just gets bought right back up? DSB, DSD, IMGO, SHC, STBN, starting to fade a little bit now. Yeah, volume's trash. Just watching the market right now. Apple's fading a little bit. Next 5-minute candle opens here in just a second. HRT. Okay, we're open. Next 5-minute. Red candle so far. You know it can always hammer up though. SHC. It's a pretty big tweezer top though. Or double top. BWV, I just heard on the scanner. You still on that? PSNYW. SPI. UFI. ONCS. It's looking pretty weak now. ICU. But you know what that means? That means we're about to turn around and rip. SHC. PBYI. Apple actually looks stronger now. IMGO. Apple's like relatively strong. It's weird. NWT, NW, BWB, IMRX, MRM, CDXS. I don't know what's going on. Apple looks strong now. The market looks weak. It's like flipped, completely flipped. Yeah, unless Apple gets smacked hard here, it looks like things are going to turn around to the long side. Because Apple is the market. You guys know that. Apple is SPY. Always and forever.
VON plus.
But sometimes everything else can pull SPY down, which in turn pulls Apple down.
SHC, BTCY. KSPN, GLDG, DSB, ONCS, Mimo Plus, VCAR, XTNT, IMGO, ONCS, WNEB.
Can't tell what's going to happen. Apple looks strong, but everything else is pretty weak.
CPAC, SHC,
Short on SHC, okay.
TCBP, NXL, Thrill, MCI, ATNM, PRTH,
Little push there in the market. Okay, everything's looking a little bit more bullish now.
IMGO,
Right when it starts to push, though, it gets faded back down. Apple's pretty strong here, though. Look at that.
PMM, PRTH, GOCO,
Yeah, there we go. Market looking much better now. Apple back up to 149.90.
NWTN,
Over 149.90.
IMGO, EFSH,
I wonder what's weak right now. Is it Tesla that's pulling everything down? Because Apple looks very strong. Yeah, Tesla's super weak. Okay. People need to stop worrying about Tesla as an indicator for the market, though.
SOBR,
My calls are slowly decaying away here. That's why options is such a pain in the ass, man. Especially 0 DTE. Yep. They have now decayed to where I just stopped for even. Yeah, oil's really weak. Down 4%. Tesla's a weak little B right now. Tesla getting wrecked upon. Bringing the whole market down. Now it looks like Apple hard rejected 150.
ANBS.
Tesla with a nice H pattern this morning.
ACHV. COS. BRDS. HSCS SOBR. IMGO.
Yeah, we're fading pretty hard now. Tesla about to go low of day here. 173.40.
SHC.
Apple 149.20s now.
CFMS. EKSO.
Apple 149.25. Tesla bouncing off lows. Apple looking very weak now. Very, very weak.
IMGO.
See what Tesla does here if it makes new lows. I've got a 394 put right now, but it's decaying as we're just trading sideways. Apple very, very weak here. But market strength. Makes sense to me. If Tesla can make a new low of day, yeah, I think Twitter is a curse for Tesla. Absolutely. Absolutely. He's worried about Twitter right now.
ANBS. IMGO. CNTA. FSTX. SHC.
Okay, there it's starting to let loose. I cut my my put too quick. It got me green, but dang, I cut it. Sound like Porky Pig there for a second. I cut it way too fast.
PBYI, ICU, BTMD, PBYI, IMGO.
Tesla never made a low of day yet.
SHC. Doma. OCC. IMGO. GLBS. GLBS.
Okay, so multi-bottom on Tesla. I think that's what's holding the market in place for now is the fact that Tesla hasn't started falling really, really hard here.
SHC. IMGO.
Big bounce. So hammer Apple, hammer market, push a little bit on Tesla here. CVNA, next bankruptcy bounce, you mean? Or next company to go bankrupt?
BRDS.
All right, I'm about to call it here.
Domo. FHLTIDU. BRDS. 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 Tiku.
I think the market's a short under this level, 394.30s. That's probably making Tesla a new low of day as well.
SHC. IMGO. EUDA.
Apple looking so weak right now. It can still hammer and close over 149 though.
Nemo Plus. DSD.
Okay, Tesla's starting to fade now. This is the make or break. If it makes another hammer here and holds low of day, we may start pushing up.
CDIO. SHC.
It's trying to hold a higher low here.
ONCS. DHCNL. IMGO. GRCL. NXL. AMV. FGFPP. BRDS.
Okay, pushing back up. Even though Apple still looks pretty weak, Tesla's the one that has hammered now.
RLX. SHC. AIRI. Semi. XRTX. KMPB. CYCC. IMGO.
Okay, we're pushing back up to 395 here. It's hard to make heads or tails out of anything right now. Okay, Tesla showing more weakness again. Back under 174. Under 173.50, it's probably going to start breaking down a little.
SHC. IMGO.
About 30 seconds left in the candle.
GPMTA.
It's kind of ending weak though.
Semi. LSF.
Yeah, ending week all around. Apple ending week, SPY ending week, Tesla ending week. With 5 seconds left in this 5-minute candle. That was also the 15-minute candle as well. Okay, Tesla under 173.50 for a second and hammered up. It's on the last like string here. Underneath this, it should fade at 394. Just holding by a thread. But Tesla hammering.
YTRA.
Apple still looks very weak overall. This is probably going to be my last trade. I'm going to put at 84 cents.
VNRX SHC.
It may. Yeah, it may. But if it doesn't hold this, it's going to spill like under 173 very soon. SPY weaker here. Apple weaker here. Tesla holding though.
IMGO. AEI.
Yep, you may be right. You may be right. I just cut half. It's looking stronger now. Tesla's holding this multi-bottom here. I was up for just a second there, and then it flashed away, and now it's all gone.
KSPN.
I'm still in a little bit, but not much.
BCDA. HTOL. UIHC.
They're all on green candles right now, though.
DMAC. AIRI.
I don't like this action. It hasn't really picked if it's going to trend or range today.
TCBP.
Guess I shouldn't have cut that half because it's fading back down again. Back under 394.5. Apple's showing some strength though, and so is Tesla.
KSPN.
Okay, SPY a little weaker there. Tesla rejecting.
IMGO. EEV.
NXL. Oh, is that a top gainer? Yeah, I'm trying not to even look at small caps. Your risk reward just isn't there. You have a way higher chance of losing than winning. All right, SPY, what are you doing? Is this the bottom?
FRBA.
crazy thing is this could still go low of day. This could still go high of day. No, but I moved on to a Dr. Pepper. I want to see how this next 5-minute candle opens. That's going to be big deciding factor whether or not I'm holding this for longer. Either it's big, nasty, ready this next 5-minute candle, or it's going to start reversing. Little weakness at open. It's probably a fake out though. We'll see. Tesla's still holding. BTB. HTOL. IMGO. Okay, Tesla may be giving up here. We'll see. $173.50 hit. SHC. SPY looking very weak. Tesla still hasn't given up yet, though. It's still holding this range. Okay, it's starting to now. Okay, Tesla, low of day. Okay, reducing just a little bit of my put here. Setting a stop on the rest. Just because I know it could bounce back to high of day on this candle if it wanted to. All right, there we go. Solid candle. So this was a level I was watching right here, and it finally let go of it. Okay, I went ahead and cut. It is what it is, but I got what I wanted out of it. Wish I still had that 10 contracts instead of 5. But on that note, I am green. Appreciate you guys showing up. We're back. Be back tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Peace.